focuses on building machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes cognitive reasoning, like solving puzzles or analyzing trends, understanding language, like how ChatGPT interprets your questions, visual recognition, like your phone unlocking with your face, learning from patterns, sometimes, but not always. Think of AI like a really smart assistant, but not necessarily one that learns by itself yet. It could be based on rules or logic, not always data. Real world AI applications. Now that we know what AI is, where do we see it in action? 60% of businesses are already using AI. It helps boost productivity by over 40%. It's making impact in over three major industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. Think of self driving cars, virtual assistants like Alexa, or spam filters in your email. These are all AI powered systems. AI is no longer the future, it's already happening. What is machine learning? ML. Next up, machine learning, or ML. And this is where things get interesting. ML is actually a subset of AI. Instead of programming rules manually, we let machines learn from data. Here's how it works: we give it a bunch of data. The algorithm finds patterns. Then it uses those patterns to make predictions or decisions. For example, you watch three romantic comedies on Netflix. The system learns your taste and suggests another one. That's ML in action. Machine learning in action. Let's bring it to life. Healthcare. ML helps detect diseases in X rays and MRIs faster than humans. Speech recognition. Think Siri or Google Assistant, turning your voice into text. Image generation. AI art tools that generate images from a prompt also rely on trained ML models. The key idea is this: machine learning uses data to get better over time. What is deep learning? DL. Now comes the tech wizardry. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subfield of ML that uses neural networks, a structure inspired by the human brain. Here's what makes it special: it learns from raw data, like pixels or audio waves. It doesn't need us to manually pick features, it finds them on its own. It's responsible for the most advanced AI systems today, from ChatGPT to Tesla's autopilot. So if AI is the parent, ML is the teenager who learns from experience, DL is the genius kid building rockets in the garage. Let's zoom in on the power of deep learning: self driving cars, vision, lane detection, object recognition, medical imaging, identifying tumors, analyzing CT scans, voice cloning, tools like ElevenLabs clone your voice in seconds, real time translation breaks language barriers across the world. All these breakthroughs were made possible by deep learning models trained on massive datasets using powerful GPUs. AI is the broadest any system that behaves intelligently. Inside that, we have ML, systems that learn from data. Inside ML, we find DL, neural networks that solve really hard problems. Think of it like a Russian nesting doll: DL inside ML inside AI. Now, you know the difference between AI, ML, and DL, and how they're shaping our world. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more epic tech breakdowns. And if someone throws AI around without understanding it, send them this video.